Hey guys, okay, so in this video I'm going to show you how to set up the integration with Zapier, Google Sheets, and Gmail. So what the goal is to have whenever someone fills out a form, right, that you created on the page that you're marketing. So when you do that, you want to make sure that when they put in their information here and they submit it, it goes into a Google Sheet automatically, and then it goes and like the customer, either the client gets an email or the person submitting it gets an email. So how you do that is you go to lead setup right here. And so what I'm going to do here is you can put Google Sheet, Google Drive, Google Sheets, Google Drive, connect through Zapier. You connect. So you have to have a Zapier account already. So this is what we're going to do. Facebook lead as, I think it's this one, it's the last one. And then the page, just make sure that, that you pick whatever correct one is. And then the Google Drive account, I'm going to use another one. So I'll be able to, and then you go allow. Usually I create a whole new Google account for my clients so that, everything is managed through. This is one of my pages. So that's what I'm doing. So I'm going to turn on Zap. You had to have a Zapier account first, or I think you can make an account through here too. So then you go view your Zaps. It is so easy. So it should be, where is it? I'm pretty sure I this one. Let's see. Let's see, complete the step. Lead ads, new leads. So it's going to be triggered by new leads. And you continue, then continue. Okay, so it's that go play marketing, and then default. You can do any form because sometimes I have forms for different purposes. So this time I like to tell it which form I want to capture, and test and continue, and then continue. Choose account, and then on the drive, you just pick my Google Drive. Oh, there's a different folder, but I don't think it's on. Actually, what we're gonna do, we're gonna go. Actually, choose app and event. So the app is actually going to be Google Sheets. So this you need to change Google Sheets, and then it's not going to create. You need to update a spreadsheet row. Actually, create a spreadsheet row. So you already need to have a Google Sheet. You already need to have this. So I like the date, the name, email, telephone, email. If you have other fields, then you just create the fields. Where did we go? Okay, here we go. So then I'm going to select it. I'm going to select, okay, add new account. It's going to be this one. Allow. That's the account. And then here is going to the spreadsheet. Facebook leads. In the worksheet, just one. Here we go. So date. So here what you do is that you go date. You pick the field. So this is created time is really what they use. So that's the date. And then the name, the telephone, phone number, and then the email. Boom. And it's going to do a test. So when you come here, you're going to see that they added a test field. And okay, so that part of it is done. If you, now what I want to do, I want to get emails, right? I want to be alerted when someone new did this. So what I want to do, I'm going to do Gmail. You can I think you can use other ones, but this is the easiest one. And then you want to send an email. Continue. Okay. Then you do, so we're gonna add the account. The beautiful thing about this, that's once you set it, you forget it. It's amazing. So allow, customize email, so you can send it. So I'm gonna send it to Yamil at fullplatemarketing.com, and then from SEO Diva, and then from name, new lead, new Facebook lead. Okay, then we already know where that's going. So then new Facebook lead, body. So here, click here, and then you can get from the lead, you can get the full name, enter email, enter phone number. Okay, so what I'm gonna do here is just, I'm gonna put name, email, phone number. Okay, and that's it. Continue. So that means that automatically I'm going to get an email with all those fields. Just continue. Okay, so if I come here, this is that account. So I go send, you see, boom, there it is. It sent the email out. And that's it. And then you just ready, you turn it on. And that's it. And then you just forget it. And that will automatically do everything you wanted to do. I hope this video helps. Bye.